मनरेगा स्किमी खाला काम करतल्यांचो दिसवडो वाडोवचो 240 आसा तो 323 करचो म्हूण गोंय सरकारान सेंटराक कळयला। इतल्या कमी दिसवड्यान खंय भुरगे कामाक येवंक सोदिनात। ते भायर गोंयांत चडशी कामां पंचायती आनी PWD करतात। शेतां सोडली जाल्यार बाकीच्या वाठारांनी खंय कामां नासता। गोंयांत मनरेगा स्किमी खाला 37,000 कार्ड होल्डर आसात। रजिस्टर्ड कामगार 43,000।
We are having 37,000 job card holders registered with us. We are having 37 job cards. In that job cards, we are having 43,000 job card holders registered. In one card, there is a possibility 2-3 people are there. So 37,000 is a job card registered. 43,000 is a people registered. Market rate is something else. So of course, I am not giving any comments on that market. But at least we are expecting that 323 rupees shall be given by the government of India. In this regard, we have already written twice, thrice to the government of India to take care at least minimum wage rate to be provided. Because 240 rupees, no people are willing to actually participate in this मनरेगा undertaking any job as such. बाहेर जर 300 रुपयान काम मिळता, 400 रुपयान जर पगार मिळता, 450 रुपये, who will come for 240 rupees? One reason. Plus काही गोष्टी ज्या असतात काम करपाची जी आहा ती आमची बाकीची स्टेट गव्हर्नमेंट डिपार्टमेंट आसा, कारण एक डिसिल्टिंग आसा किंवा आडीगीत आसा, ही बहुतेक कामां सगळी इरिगेशन डिपार्टमेंट घेता। रस्त्याचे जर काम आसत जाल्यार PWD घेता। आमच्याकडे जी सुद्धा आसात किंवा सॉरी नॉट जी सुद्धा बिकॉज दॅट इज इन अर्बन एरिया, ही जी काही कामां आसात पंचायत काही सक्षम आसात ते आपल्या रोडाची कामां घेतात, फुटपाथ बांदपाची आहात हे पंचायत घेतात किंवा RDA म्हणून वेगळी एजन्सी आसात, हे सगळी कामां करतात। कारण हे सगळी कामां घेतल्या कारणामुळे हांगारे आमकां कामांक अगदी स्कोप कमी उरता। सो आमी कितें करता, शक्यतो शेतां खातीर ज्या ठिकाणी आमकां स्कोप मेळटा त्या ठिकाणी आमी तांकां ऑफर करतात, पण तेंच्यानी आपल्या स्वताच्या शेतान काम करपाचें, साफ सफाई करपाची, एखादो कॅनल बांदपाक जाय कॅनल बांदपाचो, एखादी वाट तयार करपाक जाय ती तयार करपाची, एखादी फेन्सिंग करपाक जाय तर ती फेन्सिंग तयार करपाची। अशा तरेन आमी तांकां जास्तीत जास्त वापर करून येता आनी तेंच्यान आपल्याच शेताक फेन्स करपाचें। सेंट्रल गव्हर्नमेंट कितले दिवचे म्हणून मिनिमम वेज तरी दिवची म्हण आमी कितली ती 320 रुपीस। हां आता अंडर द स्कीम कितली दिता ती 240 रुपीस। सो एट लीस्ट 80 रुपीस टू 90 रुपीस कमी आसा। डिफरन्स येवपाक जाय। दॅट इज व्हॉट वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग फ्रॉम 343 राइट 323 that is the minimum wage of the state government. So tumka reply yela central government. We have not received any reply as such. We have not received any reply as such. But right now we Latumar se पंचायत बिचौली कितले असे I may not be sufficient. So roughly no I don't have, but then that is a panchayat we are having maximum. But this scheme is well to do or the scheme is nice? No, that will work. That will work. It is not that we don't have poverty or people are not working. People are still coming here, and we are making those who are actually interested. Definitely we are making those of them.
पणजे महापालिकेन गाडेकारांक 5 झोन केल्यात। ते भायर गाडेकारांक नवे नेम करून नवी सिस्टम घालपाचो यत्न चल्ला। आयुक्तान ते खातीर महापालिके सयत पणजे पुलीस आनी ट्रॅफिक पुलिसांची मिटींग घेतली। गाडेकारांक थारायल्ल्या झोनातूच धंदो करूंक मेळटलो। गाड्यांक खासा नंबर प्लेटी दितले आनी रातचे 11 उपरांत गाडे बंद करचे पडटले।
So far, corporation has already approved 92 cards, and the zones which we have identified that can accommodate 92 cards. We have proposed 5-6 hawkers zones and number of cards which will be stationed over there. This discussion is only for movable cards, not for stationary cards. And there is a list of 92 approved cards. That decision was taken by the corporation. It was put before town vending committee for discussion, and today's meeting has been very cordial. And we have also discussed the timing of operations. 11 PM is the last time when they have to shut down their operation.
गाड्यां खातीर स्पेशल नंबर प्लेटी आसात। काय नेम घाल्यात। नेम मोडटल्यांचेर खंय पुलीस आनी ट्रॅफिक पुलिशेक एक्शन घेवंक सांगल्या।
We have finalized a design in which there will be cart number, there will be license number, the person to which that license has been given, and the specific purpose, whether it's for snacks or it's for cold drinks, that is also mentioned. Okay, and this list we will share with traffic police as well as local police station, and our inspectors will also have that list and they'll go for frequent random inspection.
प्रुडंटा खातीर तुकाराम मराठे।
घेऊ एक ब्रेक।